dentists, the new dentists who are just passing out and all, they want to open their clinic. They feel that there's a lot of competition around. Every lane has 4, 5 dentists around. What is your thought on it, and how did you overcome the competition around you?
So, first of all, I must say it's a very relevant question in these times, especially after COVID, when there is a lot of less jobs, lot of opportunities which are very different from what it was before COVID. But still, that negativity in dentistry does continue, especially in India, especially in the urban areas, where, as you rightly said, that 5, 6 dental clinics are there in one lane, and then the seventh one comes and he starts to ponder over what I should do in my life. So yes, the same thing happened with me. When 6 years ago in 2016, I cleared my MDS and I started to open up my setup. So we saw a place, rented place, and how I overcome this negativity is just by doing good practice, just by working on my mindset, by telling myself that I am different from others and what I have to offer will be very much good and will be adding value to the patient's lives. So just have confidence in yourself, give something different, definitely you will succeed.
Awesome, awesome. That's so nice. And we have seen your growth, right? You have been from one dental chair setup to a 3 dental chair setup, and within 6 years of practice. That's a kind of, I think, rocket kind of success which anybody can think of. That's so awesome. What are
Thank you
your
so
thoughts
much for
on?
being.
No, you deserve it. Seriously. So